Hello friends, in a previous video we have seen the fundamental theorem of vector calculus, and based on that we have discussed about the how to show that fr is gradient, or how we can show the line integral is path independent. But here in this video we are going to discuss about few examples how to show that vector field fr is conservative. If the vector field fr is conservative, then how we can determine potential function. So here it is the first example. Determine whether the vector field fr is a conservative. Find a potential function f if it is conservative. But also we have discussed in previous lecture, or can say video, to show fr is conservative, it is sufficient to show that for the vector field fr is equal mi plus nj, del m by del y is equal del n by del x. So here m is equal 4 plus 2xy, it is given, and n is equal x square minus 2y square. So here we can determine del m by del y, that is the 2x, del n by del x, that is only 2x. But as we have observed that del m by del y is equal del n by del x. So as our this condition, we can say that fr is conservative. If fr is conservative, that means we can determine scalar function f such that fr is equal to grade f. So here fr is equal, that is the given vector. Grade f can be written as del f by del xi plus del f by del y. But as we compare corresponding component, so del f by del x is equal 4 plus 2xy, and del f by del y is equal x square minus 2y square. But here we can consider one of them. So here I consider first equation, del f by del x is equal 4 plus 2xy. But here we need to determine function f of xy. That means it is required to integrate with respect to x partially. That means we do integration with respect to x keeping y constant. So here f of xy is equal 4x plus 2x square y divided by 2 to get cancelled out. So we get x square y plus constant, but here we are integrating with respect to x, so our constant will be in terms of y, so a of y. Now our next target is to eliminate this arbitrary function, that is a of y. That means we have to integrate with respect to y partially. So here del f by del y is equal, so here with respect to y, so this is the constant function, so it will be 0, x square y, so that can be written as only x square plus a dash y. Here it is a function of only one variable, so we can assume a dash y. But here del f by del y is nothing but x square minus 2y square, so whenever we replace it, but when we observe that x square will be cancelled out, so here a dash y is equal minus 2y square. But here this is the first derivative, but as we know that derivative and integration both are antiderivative to each other, so here derivative is there, but if we integrate with respect to y, so what we get, ay is equal minus 2y cube divided by 3 plus 6. But here our function f of xy was here 4x plus x square y plus ay, but ay can be written as minus 2y cube over 3 plus 6. So that will be the our scalar potential function. So here next question says that if fr is equal this one, so that fr line integral fr into dr is independent of path of integration, and hence integrate or evaluate the integral one sees path joining a to b. But here in a previous video we have discussed about the path independent. When we say that line integral is path independent, so in that case we have shown that if fr is the gradient vector, then we can say that vector field fr will be path independent. So here to show that line integral is path independent, we have to show that fr is conservative. But for the conservative, For the 3 dimension, as we know that curl Fr is equal 0. So here Fr is equal 0, so we can determine curl F. As you can proceed, here Fr is equal to xy plus z cube, y coordinate that is x square and z coordinate 3xz square. But when we find curl F, so it will be 0 bar vector. So curl Fr is equal 0 bar, that means Fr is conservative. If Fr is conservative, so we can say line integral is independent of path, and Fr is conservative, that means we can determine scalar potential function. So as we have discussed in previous question, Fr, that is the given, grade f can be written as del f by del xi plus del f by del yj plus del f by del zj. But when we compare on the both these sides, so what we get, del f by del x is equal, this is the first coordinate, to xy plus z cube, plus, and then del f by del y is equal, so second coordinate, that is the x square, and del f by del z is equal 3xg square. But if we consider first one, you can choose one of them, but I consider first one. So here it is required to consider partial integration with respect to x. So here x square y plus z cube x plus constant function free from x, so that can be g of yz. But again I have to eliminate this one. So you can partial derivative with respect to y or z. But here I consider partial derivative with respect to y. So f sub y is equal, that is del f by del y. So here it will be x square, and here we can determine g sub y of yx. That means partial derivative with respect to y. Here f sub y is what, that is the del f by del y is equal x square, so I replace it. So x square will be cancelled out. So gy yz is equal 0. But here again it is the partial derivative with respect to y. But if we integrate with respect to y, so our function will be g of yz. So here that will be the again constant function, but it should be free from y. So we can assume h of z. Now g of yz can be written as h of z. So our equation number 1 becomes x square y plus z cube x plus h of z. Again our target is to eliminate this is h of z. That means we can derivative with respect to z. So what we get, del f by del z is equal, this is 0. Again here 3z square x plus h dash z. But as we have del f by del z is equal 3xz square, so I just replace it, and again it will be cancelled out. So we get h dash z is equal 0. But when we integrate with respect to z, so h of z is equal 6. Again h of z can be replaced by here, so here h of z is c. So our function f of xyz becomes x square y plus z cube x plus constant c, so which is the required potential function. Now our target is to determine if f1 is path of independent, so what will be here, line integral. But as we have discussed at the fundamental theorem, if f1 is gradient, so we can say our line integral is depend on only path. So here this is the f bar, this is the given line integral, but as we have observed that f bar is the gradient, or we can say conservative, so we have line integral grade f dr bar, but this is what, f of b minus f of a. But here curve c is nothing but path joining from a to b. That means it is given that these 2 points a and b. But here b is nothing but 3, 1, 4, and a is nothing but 1, minus 2, and 1. But f of x is equal x square y plus z cube x plus c. But here x is replaced by 3, y is replaced by 1, z is replaced by 4. And so we get here this one, and another point we can determine here in the same way. So when we simplify, here c will be cancelled out as a same constant. So what we get, 2, 0, 2. So ultimately, when we observe that vector field, whatever it is provided, and if we consider this path from A to B, so our work done is 3, 0, 2. But so let us understand what is exactly whatever we call as it now that ln integral f bar into dr bar. So this is what exactly work done. But as we know that work is what? Work is nothing but force multiply by distance, so it will be work. So here let us understand for that. Here this is the arc, but if we consider small partition of this arc, so I have assumed consider this one. For that we can assume that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So in that case, parallel to x-axis, so we have the distance in on x, that is the delta x, and changing related to y-axis, that is the delta y. But this is what exactly according to Pythagoras we can say this is the hypotenuse. So we can determine, and I call it that is delta ri. But here we want to find this one length. But this is the again one hypotenuse is the vector, and again this is the vector field Fy. So angle between these two vectors we can determine. So that is, if I say Fy, if I consider small partition ith particle, so this is our vector field Fi dot delta Ri. This is what exactly mode of F dot mode of delta Ri and into cos theta, because angle between these two is nothing but theta, so we can assume this is the cos theta. So here our work done W is equal integration Fr into dr bar, because we have assumed that small partition, but if we consider whole arc, as we know that integration is nothing but sum of all partition. So like that, if I consider this one partition, if I consider another partition, and if I sum up all these partitions, so we get the integration. But if we take limit delta Ri tends to 0, and that becomes whatever required line integration. And sometimes we will represent dr bar is equal unit tangential vector into ds, but sometimes dr is also we can use as dxi plus dyj, and that can be written as dx dy. So here this is formula, so you should remember this one. So let us consider example based on that. Fr is equal x comma y, c is the again cos ti plus sin t say, and t from 0 to pi, and here we want to find the work done. But here I am just going to explain two methods here. So let us assume that first method. R bar, as we know that xi plus yz, but x is equal cos t and y is equal sin t. And again we can find here dr bar. And f is equal xy, so we have cos theta sin theta. Fr into dr bar we can determine, and that will be the what here, that is the 0. Simply all step you can assume that and you can verify it, and you will get the Fr into dr bar is equal 0. But when we apply this formula for the work done, but Fr into dr bar is 0, so total work done is what, that is a 0. And again we can observe that this is what here closed curve, and we are going to considering theta is equal 0 to theta is equal pi, and from this for the work done we have answer is 0. But if we consider another method, that is here t cap, that means if we are assuming this one point as a f bar as a vector field, so at that point we have the tangential vector, that is the t cap, and here t cap and f bar and both are perpendicular to each other, so we can say t cap is perpendicular to f bar, and if it is there, so angle between this is what, 90. So cos 90 is what, that is the 0. So what we get, t cap into f bar is equal 0. But our formula was what the work done, f bar into dr bar, integral f bar into dr bar is equal integration over c f bar into f bar dot t cap into ds. But this is what exactly 0, so our final answer will be 0. Let us consider another question. Find the work done when the force Fr moves a particle in xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 1. Along the parabola, this is the outer curve. Is the work done different when the path is straight line, that is the y is equal x? That means here we have to consider line integral in two parts, along this C1 as well as along this C2. And we can observe that, we will observe that for particular this example, both have work done will be same. So here I'm going to recall all the quick all the steps. C1, that is along the parabola, y square is equal c from 0, 0 to 1, 1. But here r bar, that is xi plus yz, but x is equal y square, that is along the parabola, so x is replaced by y square. So here you can dr bar can be written in terms of dy from y coordinate, that is you can observe that y coordinate from 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0 to 1 only. So here f bar is there, so here y square can be written, x can be written as, that is the y square, so here f bar is, it will be in terms of y, and again we can determine f bar into dr bar, and when we take its dot product and when we simplify, so we will get here 2y raised to 5 minus y dy. So y coordinate is there, so we can find its work done, so it will be minus 1 by 6. Here along the line y is equal x from 0, 0 to 1, 1. So r bar is there, y is replaced by x, dr bar will be in terms of x, here f bar is there, so again we will represent in terms of x, so we can observe that here all the vectors as well as dr bar are in terms of x, so here we will assume x coordinate for the limits, that is 0 to 1. But now f bar into dr bar is equal to this one as we have determined. But when we take its dot product and when we simplify, so what we get a minus 1 by 6. So this is the work done. And so ultimately if we consider any path from parabola or otherwise if we assume the straight lines, so both the case work done is same. Here circulation, that means what? A line integral of a vector field f around a simple closed curve C is called circulation of f. That means whatever curve is there, if the curve is closed, then the line integration becomes circulation. So here simple question is that find the circulation of this vector field f bar around the circle from 0 to 1. So here I'm not going to discuss each and every step, but I want to familiar about the circulation. That means whenever circulation is there, so our line integrals, in a line integrals we will mention here circle. So here when we simplify all these terms, and you will get the answer, that is the 2 pi. And next one, this is as an example homework. Prove that f bar is equal, this one is conservative field. Find a scalar potential function, work done in moving an object in the field from P to Q, as we have discussed in first example. So you should try this one. If you get any difficulty to solve this one question, so again watch this video and you will get the idea. Thank you.